Reflex action. A reflex action is a spontaneous, automatic, and mechanical response to stimulus. It is an automatic and mechanical response against stimulus or sudden action in response to something in the environment. For example, withdrawal of legs or hands when we touch any hot object or when we touch any sharp object. We don't need to think. It is a sudden response, automatic response, in which we don't need to think that we have to withdraw our hand, we have to remove our legs. Okay, and mechanical response against that object, against that stimulus, means against that hot object or sharp object. Other examples: blinking of eyes, movement of diaphragm, withdrawal of hand or foot every time when a needle or hot object is touched, sneezing, hunger, etc. Okay. These actions are controlled by spinal cord. It does not involve brain. We don't need to think. It is an automatic action. Okay. So what is reflex action? There are certain body response which are immediately and do not require any processing of brain. Brain is not involved. These response or actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Means in reflex action, spinal cord does not send the information to the brain. In some cases, spinal cord are responsible to take action itself. These are called reflex action. A reflex action may be defined as a spontaneous, automatic, and mechanical response without the involvement of brain. Okay. Now, the pathway followed by sensory and motor nerves in a reflex action is called reflex arc. The pathway followed by sensory and motor nerves in a reflex action is called reflex arc. Now, what are the components of reflex arc? A reflex arc has 5 main components. First is receptor, through which we receive the stimuli or sensory organ. We have 5 sense organs, we know. So, to perceive the stimulus, to accept the stimulus, we have sensory organ like skin, nose, eyes, ears, which contains nerves, sensory nerves. Now, sensory or afferent nerves, which carries the message from receptor to the spinal cord. Suppose we touch any hot object, so the sense organs of that is skin. Skin carries the message from receptor, or sensory nerves which carries the message from receptor. What is receptor? Our hand or legs, muscles, to the spinal cord. Okay, this is called sensory nerve. It carries the message from receptor to spinal cord. Relay neurons, which transmit impulse from the sensory neurons to the efferent neurons. Sensory neurons to the efferent neurons or motor neurons. It transmits impulses from the efferent neuron, or afferent neuron means sensory neurons to the efferent neurons, motor neurons. Now, motor neurons, which carries the message from the spinal cord to the muscles or gland or effector organ. Or we can say, suppose when we touch any needle or any sharp object or any hot object, this is called effectors or muscles of our hand, muscles of our leg. So, motor neuron carries the message from the spinal cord. Spinal cord convey the message to the muscles of our hand or leg to remove, to withdraw our hand or leg. Now, effector organ means through which we touch any hot object, cold object, or anything else, which respond by producing movement or secretion. and we respond according to that. We remove our hand from that place, we remove our leg from that place. Okay, so it responds, effector organ respond by producing movement or secretion. So this pathway is called reflex arc. Here you can see, firstly, suppose we touch any hot object, this hot water, then what will happen? Receptor. This is called receptor. In skins, in our skin, receptors are present. Skin is called receptor. It is receiving hot object. Okay, so receptor send the message to receptor sensory nerves, and this conduct the message. This message conduct through sensory neuron to the spinal cord. Here you can see sensory neuron conduct the message from receptor to the spinal cord, and this spinal cord does not send the message to the brain. It in this case, spinal cord are responsible to take action, to give action. So after that, it transmit spinal cord take action against that stimulus, and it send the message to the motor neuron, and from the motor neuron message convey to our muscles of our effector organ, and we, and in that case we remove or withdraw our hand from that place. This process is called reflex arc. Okay, so some common examples of reflex are blinking of eyes, sneezing or coughing, watering of mouth when we smell any food, any immediate withdraw of hand, withdraw of leg if we happen to step on a nail while walking barefoot, etc. These are the examples of reflex action.